And we know some of these challenges, but from your perspective, what do you see as challenges to get that potting mix ready for the technology plant?
Oh my, there's so much. I mean, especially when you start talking about AI, first of all, you have to make sure that your data is structured in a way that it can be accessed by the AI, and it can be actually accessed by the AI. One of the interesting challenges we're struggling with right now is that some of our data is not as accessible as other data is, and so that makes it, very difficult to start rolling out these things. I mean, we've seen really good examples of the future. I've seen brilliant demonstrations of where we're going to go with this. The real question is, do we have all of the ability on the back end to make sure
Mm,
that we can deliver on the promise? And so access to the data, access to your system so that you're not making extra work for people. Unfortunately, many times when we bring in these time saving devices or labor saving devices, they only create more labor for people, but they create it in different places. So it's not where it used to be. Now it's been moved over to here. And that's not what we really want to do. We want to make sure that when this comes in, it is seamless, that it works
mm,
the way it is designed to work. It helps,
right.
because here's the thing: customers will openly and actively embrace technologies that simplify their journey from beginning to end. They
Yes.
will go the absolute opposite direction if it makes their life more difficult from beginning to end. And those are the things that we have to look for. We have to look for pain points more than ever. You almost need a journey architect to start looking at these things, because if you have a pain point or if you have a point of failure, the only person that might tell you that is your customer, and they might
Mm,
tell you and they might not tell you. They might just go elsewhere. And so we don't want to leave it up to that sort of chance. We want to make sure that all of those things, everything works. And then the next stage is getting your representatives ready, because there's never a time, I believe, when AI is going to take care of every customer issue that comes up. So those
yeah.
customer issues that get handed off to a live agent, they're going to be much more complex. They're going to be more difficult. They're going to be more emotionally charged. And so we're going
Mm,
to need to make sure that those reps are also ready to take those calls, and that they have technology at their fingertips assisting them to get them through them, because otherwise then you're just going to see average handle time go way up.
true. Talking